Well, hello everyone. I know it's been a long time since I've put out a video, but I've been working on a project since early May and I'm still not done with it yet, so I thought I better come on here and say hi to you and thank everyone for their concerns, and asking me how I'm doing and stuff and hoping I'm still alive, and I am. But this project has been a lot of fun, and I'm going to be putting a video out about it pretty soon, as soon as I can. If you look behind me, you see smoke on the mountains, so it's that time of the year again, and we're getting wildfires all over the country. In fact, our area is just surrounded by some really big fires, and it's been so bad that they've shut the forest down, and road access is all over, so I can't get out in the country anymore right now. They've even evacuated some small towns around here, but thankfully, the towns haven't been burnt up or anything, so I thank the Lord for that. So the project that I've been working on, this will be the shaft of the walking stick, and it's going to have something mounted on top here, and this is the part that has really taken me a long time to finish. I've got it all carved now, but I'm not going to show it till I put out the video for how I made it. I'll give you a little hint, but you guys can figure out what it is and put it in the comments. Anyway, it's been, even though it's not a very big carving, it had so much detail in it that it's just taken me months to get it done. What I want to do when I get this finished is, and the woods open up again, I can drive out in my country, I want to start doing smaller projects that, like the spoon projects I did here a while back, to maybe try and encourage new carvers to take up carving, because it is so much fun. I'll do it both ways. I'll do it with hand tools, and I'll do it with power tools too, so you can decide for yourself which one way you like to do it. I like power carving tools because when you get older and you get arthritic hands and joints, the power carver's a lot more easy on you. It takes a lot of force in your joints to control the knives and stuff, but I still enjoy that too. I want to get back out in the woods and do some adventuring, but I'll have to see how the fires go and see what happens in the meantime. So I want to thank all of you guys for sticking with me and for all the nice comments you've given me over the years and on every one of my videos. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the patrons too that have been supporting me that way. It means a lot to me, and it makes a lot of difference on being able to keep the videos coming when I have time, and keep my projects going. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.